How to delete all tweets at once on Twitter. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete all of your tweets at once. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, I'm going to go to my Twitter and show you my tweets. Now these are all of my tweets. Now I'm going to show you how I deleted all of them at once. What you have to do is first open up any browser, and here you have to search for tweet delete. So once you search for tweet delete, you have to go to this exact website, tweetdelete.net, and here you have to tap on sign in with Twitter. Then here you have to enter your username or email and password and tap on authorize app. So if you authorize this app, if you authorize your Twitter with this website will be able to see tweets from your timeline, see your Twitter profile information and account settings and all of this. So you can go through all of this, and if you don't want to authorize, you can tap on cancel. So if you want to authorize and delete all of your tweets, enter your username or email and password and tap on authorize app. Once you authorize your Twitter, this page will open. So what you have to do is first check that is this your correct account, and if it's your correct username, Twitter username, then here you have to select what tweets you want to delete. So tap on it, and here you can select all of your tweets older than 1 week, older than 2 weeks, and etc. So we want to delete all of our tweets, so I will tap on here all my tweets, and then here you can select only tweets containing this word phrase. You can enter here any word or phrase, and that word phrase tweets will be only deleted. And here you can select only once, or you can select delete your tweets automatically every few days. So we want to just delete only once, so I will here tap on only once, and here check this, I have read and agreed to the tweet delete terms. I understand delete tweets cannot be recovered. So if you agree to the terms, then you have to check this and tap on delete my tweets. After tapping on delete my tweets, here it will run the process to delete your tweets. So here it shows completed. So now I'm going to go to my Twitter and check if all of my tweets are deleted or not. And now I have refreshed my Twitter, and you can see here all of my tweets are deleted. If for some reason this doesn't work, you can try again later and your tweets will be deleted. So this is how you can delete all of your tweets at once. Thanks for watching.